Alright guys, so at the time of this recording, because I don't know what order I'm going to upload it in, but at the time of this recording, the heads aren't back from the machine shop yet. So we got other stuff we need to do to continue on with the build since we're kind of stuck there waiting on the heads. So we're going to head over to Daniel's and sort out the wiring, get the harness ready, and yeah, get the harness ready to be put in the other car, delete a lot of the stuff that needs to be deleted, like AC and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head on over there and take care of that today. So we made it to Daniel's. We're here again, and yeah, let me show you what we kind of have to deal with here. Let me get my light, because you're not going to be able to really see down in there too well. But there is the ECU. Oh shit, right up in there and all that mess. So I have to get in there and take it down before I can unplug the connector, and then we'll have the fun of trying to pull everything through. And I'm not even sure if the connector that plugs into the ECU is even gonna fit through the firewall. I would really hate to have to unpin every single wire and label them and pull the wires through, then repin the connector. But it may come down to that. I don't know. We'll have to see whenever we start tearing into it. And yeah, like I said earlier, I did take the heads to the machine shop, but we haven't got them back yet. That's gonna be its own video. Me taking the heads up there and picking them up and putting them on the engine and all that sort of stuff, and some other goodies that go with that. But like I said, as of right now, they're still at the machine shop and I haven't gotten a call. So if this video comes out first or whatever, it might be a little weird, but that's why. So guys, I'm a dumbass, and I didn't have the microphone plugged in at all, even though it was on, had it going. But yeah, we been messing with the wiring harness. As you can see here, I'll show you again now when the audio's working. This all this fucking bullshit down here. Fucking get my light on. Yeah, that's where the ECU was, up in there, and it was kind of a pain to get out, but we got it out, and we're getting ready to try and pull the harness through that corner there. Don't know how well it's gonna work. And I've had this car for maybe 6 months or more. Probably, actually, it's been a lot longer than that, hasn't it? Yeah, I think so. It's probably been about a year. And Daniel just found something pretty interesting. Pillar gauges. We don't know what they are because they're digital. We don't know what kind of gauges they are, or if they even work. We haven't tried yet. But yeah, he just found it in there. And I thought we had looked through most of the shit in there. So it just keeps getting better and better of the shit that it offers up, right? So yeah, if they work, that'll save me money from having to buy them, because I was gonna buy those shitty ass pillar gauges anyway, just because. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and try and pull this shit through here in just a minute. I don't know if it's 3/4, it's probably bigger than that.
Biggest wrench you got. I just don't know where it is.
Alright, now let me get this other one.
Jesus Christ. That's tight. In there too. Oh, so it seems we're gonna have to try and fucking take all this out just to be able to
Easily pull the thing through, and I'm like right in the shot. Alright, so Daniel's been playing with the gauges. Let's see, let's check them out. Which is pretty odd because this car was never, you know, turboed or anything, but more than likely they didn't come from this car, but somehow they ended up in there. So we got a ratio, air-fuel ratio and a boost gauge, so Jeremiah says that other one's probably oil pressure. So we'll see. If there's any problem with your car whatsoever, it's the starter,
It's
right?
always
there?
the starter. Yeah. Totally.
Fuel pressure, right?
Yeah, fuel pressure.
God damn, fucking wrong every time.
A little bit of a nice surprise there, but we may not even end up using them. I mean, I probably will just to save me some money, but who knows? JR's taking off and we got the harness out. All this right here, as you can see. So now it's just a matter of taking it all apart and going through all the stuff. So yeah, we're gonna start that process, taking it all apart and sorting the wires out and getting rid of the shit we don't need. So